Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Thank you. See why today we call you all. Today we got a resignation letter from our lone Congress MLA, Bah Ronnie, one of the CLP leader, and his BCC president, Richard M. Merwin, block president, and his general secretary, Ivorwell. So, in his resignation, he mentioned this decision has been taken after the whole consultation with the people of my constituency and my grassroots leaders. It reflects the collective desire of my constituent and local leadership who have expressed the need for a new political decision that better represents their aspiration. This is the letter we got from Bah Ronnie, and also he was the spokesperson of Congress Party. Today, nobody to say here, we are not a spokesperson of the party, but today I represent here on behalf of Congress Party as a working president. Here, Bah Manuel, he is our general secretary, media in charge, and here all Congress leaders, Mahila president. Yes, the Congress Party today, we acknowledges the resignation of our Congress MLA Bah Ronnie Lyngdoh, and we appreciate his services he has done during his tenure. I read out his resignation letter, the content, why he resigned. He said in his resignation letter that he is resigning from the Congress Party because he was the party, his grassroots workers, party workers, they asked him to resign, and it is the desire of the Congress worker in his constituency. Therefore, he resigned as a Congress member and primary membership of Congress, I think he mentioned that way. Today, whatever may be the case, he has taken his decision along with his party workers. We have accepted, appreciate, and we have nothing to say against him. He worked for the party. He was an experienced man, worked for the Congress Party for a long time. But the reason why he has gone, shifted to NPP, it is known to him better. You can ask him. We don't know the reason, but only the letter he has given to us. From there only we have got it today. The party, Congress Party, will remain committed to its core values, and we will continue to work tirelessly for the welfare of our constituent people and for the people of Meghalaya. We are not surprised by his resignation. We understood right from the beginning this negotiation happening for a long time. Today, official letter, we got it. However, we are very much confident, grant our party, we will work with our Congress workers in the grassroots. And if any challenges arising out of his resignation here today for the Congress Party, it is not going to hamper anything to the Congress Party. Congress Party, we are ready to restructure, we are ready to revamp the party even without single MLA. Last MP election, there was no MLA MDC in Garo Hills. We work hard, so at least in Garo Hills, we could retain these 2 Tura parliamentary seats. Thank you.
Ma'am, like you mentioned in your statement that the party is not surprised and you all knew about the negotiations. Why didn't you all take action beforehand? Why wait till he resigns?
No, without his resignation, yes, you're correct. Yeah, I wanted to answer to your question. We did. Our in charge, he came from Delhi and he tried to convince him. He tried to ask what is the reason. That's it. What was the discussion between these two, we don't know. After that, we thought it is all right. But today only we got his official letter in the office. That's it.
So if he has been hobnobbing with the party, NPP, is it not a fit case to be pursued legally?
I don't think so.
Honestly, this is our perspective. Okay. See, we have been pursuing a case against the 3 MLAs who had resigned earlier. Now, it just so arises that the main petitioner is Bah Ronnie in that case. So, by doing that, it becomes infructuous in nature. In a sense, it's null and void. So, we have this firm belief that this transactional politics that NPP is playing, whereby they will buy anybody out to ensure that, the law of the land does not prevail anymore. And I think that has played precedence over everything else. And I think, and there's a firm belief among some of us here that maybe it is a trick in which they will at least make this entire not judicial system a little weaker also. So they're ensuring that they're able to trump it. So now by Bah Ronnie joining the NPP, we have to start the case all over again. Because we were actually, I don't know the procedures that has been followed by the court, we were actually having very good grounds to fight against